It's over here, a little cup.
Alright.
The back is okay.
And you don't tighten the bolts, you just leave it loose for now.
Yeah.
Jiggle it in, basically.
Yeah. Just a sec.
And you leave it loose for now, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Now let me see you do the back hole.
The same thing. Look, it's nice. It's easy.
Alright, come on. You already got the back hole on. Okay.
Yeah.
So it was just a little offset.
Yeah.
Okay.
Later.
The filter, you got the filter
Yeah.
on, you leave it loose.
Yeah.
Okay, now do the pipe.
Okay.
Standing it up higher on some skids or something makes it a little easier to work with.
It's easy.
Okay. Mr. Coronavirus.
Yeah.
Alright, so you got the union on.
Yeah.
The pipe is angled right over here.
Yeah.
It's not straight.
Over here.
This is a little off center.
Yeah. That's it.
Tightening the union. Just leave it loose for now.
It's okay.
And that's it. You're done.
Yeah, it's
Now
all
you just
done.
tighten everything down.
That's it.
After that, just tighten everything down.
Yeah. It's beautiful, right? It's easy.
See, the bolt is a little off center,
Yeah.
but you can get it in there.
Yeah.
It's on a slight angle, but it's not going to harm anything.
Yeah.